Hi all, so today we are going to Lord Market. It's Jazz is there. Yeah, my mom's there. But yeah, so I'm sitting next to Amy. And yeah, so we're going to Lord Market today. Really exciting. It's our fourth day in. But yeah, so we're just like going up these mountains. Very pretty, very pretty. But yeah, so I'll take some videos while we're at the market to see what we are buying. So many markets, and it just goes on and on. Laura! Do you like the markets? Oui? Selena?
It's great.
Maddie, c'est français? Oui. You're French?
Well done, Paris!
And we're just walking through these really cute little streets. It's amazing. Very
White Oreos!
So anyway, Laura, debuddied. Yeah, so me and Selena were left on our own.
She can't. Wearing good shoes, now we've been fine. Let it kill them all.
I still have strawberry.
Oh yeah, I got, okay, to make this a bit better, I got a punnet. Oh, ew, Maddie, one of your hairs there.
It's okay.
What?
Tastes better.
Laura got trois strikes, and now she is debuddied for trois heures. Trois heures. Oui, oui.
It was Bruno before, now it's trois.
No, it was de and then it's trois.
Okay.
Oui.
That's usually how it goes, but...
Wait. This is the first time it's happened. She usually learns to tais-toi, but
Not anymore.
not anymore.
Any of these in Perth. These are fucking
They do have them in Perth.
Do they? Oh. They're like...
Yes. After the markets, Julia and her dad took me to see the landscapes around town. As you can see, we're walking down this area and it's absolutely stunning. Very bush-like, and it made me thought of home. But around the town, sorry, not around the town, around the landscape, you can see everything. The forest, the towns, and down this way is where Julia's dad, Bruno, usually goes to rock climbing. And as you can see, it is so beautiful. But it is a massive drop. I was terrified. But it was absolutely stunning. And Julia, being the little adventurous girl she is, was like, oh my god, I'm going to go sit on the edge. No, Julia. No, please don't. No, Julia, stop, please. I just want to say quick thanks so much for watching, and if you really enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and go check out my blog, www.thisonetimeinparis.blogspot.com.